To make this fabric plant sack, I'll be using this beautiful linen fabric. This fabric is actually leftovers from a $12 tablecloth I picked up from Kmart a while back. I used it to make this throw and cushion. To make the plant sack, you'll need some fabric. The amount will depend on the size of your plant pot. You'll also need some measuring tape, a ruler, scissors, a pair of tweezers, pins, and a sewing machine. Start by measuring the circumference of your pot and write this measurement down. Next, measure the width. If your pot is tapered, make sure you measure the widest part of the pot. Then measure the height. The length of your pattern will be the circumference plus 2 cm seam allowance plus 2 cm give. So my total length is 59 centimeters. For the height, I'm adding my pot height, which was 13 centimeters, and then I'm adding 2 centimeters seam allowance, another 2 centimeters of fold, and then another 6 centimeters of fold, and then I'm also adding the width of my pot as well, so 40 centimeters total. Taking my measuring tape and some chalk, I'm marking in my measurements. You'll need to cut out 2 of the pattern pieces, as one will be the outer fabric and one will be the lining. Taking one of the pieces, you're going to fold it in half and then pin the outer edge and the bottom. Then you're going to sew a 1 centimeter seam allowance along both edges. Next, I'm flattening out the bottom edge to create a triangle. I'm then going to measure in half of my pot's width. My pot's width was 17 centimeters, so I'll be marking in 8.5 centimeters. I'm then sticking a pin in to hold the fabric together and ruling in a straight line. I'm then repeating the exact same thing on the other corner. Once that is done, I'm going to stitch along the lines. Once you have finished, repeat all of the same steps on your other pattern piece. So you should have 2 pieces that look like this. Next, cut off the excess bulk, leaving about a 1 centimeter seam allowance. Next, take one of the pieces and turn it inside out. Then feed it into the other piece. Your right side should be facing each other. Line the back seams up to each other and then pin them together. Then, stretch the sack out and pin the opposite side. Then do the exact same thing in the opposite direction. Here I'm leaving a 6 centimeter opening. Place a pin long ways to mark the opening. I'm then placing a pin between each of the other pins that I have already placed. Now I'm going to stitch all the way around that top edge, leaving the opening unstitched. Once I have removed all of the pins, I'm then going to turn it inside out. I'm then using my machine tweezers to push out the corners. I'm then tucking the lining in. I'm then taking my tweezers again and feeding them through and just pulling along that seam line to help push it out so it doesn't pucker so much. Before sewing the top seam closed, I'm going to pop a few pins in just to hold it in place. Now I'm going to top stitch around the entire top edge. Now we're ready to fold down the top. So I'm folding it down 2 centimeters and then another 6 centimeters. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Please tag me on Instagram if you make one of these, as I'd love to share it in my stories. I'll have more of my plant related DIYs linked at the end of this video if you would like to check those out as well. Hope you have a beautiful and creative week. Bye for now.